Snap stock printed a gain of 27.54% in the regular session of today, the 26th of April 2024. So the company posted positive first quarter results, improving on a difficult fourth quarter on the back of improved user monetization. Revenue per user increased year over year for the first time since early 2022, reflecting the strength in the broader advertising market and Snap's effort to revive growth. The worldwide daily active user count increased at 10% a year ago, roughly in line with the past two quarters, thanks to growth in Europe and the rest of the world segment. Frustratingly, the North American user count remains flat at 100 million, a bit less than a quarter of the 422 million total users worldwide. So the stock. This is what happened in this. This is what happened in the regular session of today, the 26th of April. It reached the highs of around $14.93. I believe that was the highest it printed. I believe that's the highest it ever printed. As a matter of fact, I think that might be 14.93. I think is the highest it ever printed, 14.93. Yeah, I want to believe that's the peak of this session, 14.93. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. If you come back to its weekly, monthly chart, sorry, daily chart, you find out what has happened. Snap's participation in the October to March rally, or rather the rally that began in October of last year. It ended for Snap as of the 6th of February. That was when it all ended for the stock. So this rally it ran up today is to some extent a recovery from that retracement. It's plunged. You could say, as a matter of fact, it plunged all the way down to. It lost 35% in one session, from 17.44 to 11.10 thereabout, 11.18 in one session, and even went on to print a lower price of 10.91. And then not long ago it printed it's not exactly 52-week low, but yet another low, a lower low of 10.38. So for some reason market participants were expecting this news, and they started to pile in on the stock. So it has recovered some of those losses. So given that it printed a gain of 27%, you could say it now has 8.8 more percent to go before it gets to $17.47. So as things stand right now, it has broken through all of its upper projections. So you're not really gonna find any ambitious projections, anything close to 17 point, anything close to this resistance of 17.41. As a matter of fact, I want to believe this is also its 52-week high. I don't think you're gonna find anything on the shorter interval charts, the shorter models, the shorter intervals. Yeah, they don't. You're not gonna get anything, any projection that ambitious. But if you have a look at its weekly chart, you might see something close to that. And also, the weekly chart gives you it obviously being a different model. You see the stock in a different light. So all we have here is a consolidation. The stock has just been consolidating since when? Since it began to plunge. Okay, look at this. This is its all-time high. I want to believe 83.02. I think this will be its 3-year high, 83.02. Since that time, it has, I think this will be its 52-week low. It began to, deteriorate, and since 2022, middle of summer of 2022, has just been consolidating. So this gives you an idea of how the stock has been performing. So here now you're gonna find ambitious projections. It's 10-week moving average is projected to continue to show strength up till Tuesday, the 28th of May 2024, to a high of around $19.92. and that's also where a Fibonacci projection resides or is projected. So that's it. We have a okay, not an absolute convergence. The Fibonacci projection is 20.14, and the price there is that for our projection is 19.92. So we have projections of let's get it. We have let's get it here. It's $14, and then we have already printed $14. So 15.31 is the next one, and then 16.63. So 15.57 is actually projected for its a 10-period moving average for Monday the 20th of May, and then we have Fibonacci projection of 16.63. Above that we have 18.16. So 18.16 is also slightly below the projection for its 10-period moving average for Tuesday the 28th of May. Okay, so 18.86. So this is when we now begin to test that 52-week high of 17.14, 17.74. There, one of those prices. And then above that we have 20.14, and all the way down, all the way up to 26.27. On its monthly chart, you will even see much more ambitious projections. Not so much as such. Something slightly higher than what we have here. Something in the we have here 29.10. Here we have 21.18. And then down here we have 18.01. Here we have 15.63. So I think 15.63, $15 and some fraction is it's something that can happen. 15 point let's see, 16.85. Let's see here, 15.31 is something that can easily be printed anytime soon. So upper projections projected for Snap in the coming days. Who knows whether it's going to continue to sustain the strength it has run up in just one session. But just know that this is a lot of gains in one session. There's a good chance it's definitely going to. There's a good chance it might retrace. So we can clearly see now that it's trading at a premium to its 10-day moving average. So statistically, you should expect that retracement will occur. We can quickly try and have a determination of that. So taking a price of the closing price of 14.55 and the 14.55 and the 10-day moving average of 11.40, we can just 11.40, we can quickly determine the probability that probability of how things will pan out, or how things are likely to be pan out as in the coming sessions. So if you've been the 10-day moving average is 11.4. Let's input that, and then the standard deviation. Let's get the standard deviation. We have it at 1.12. So yes, the probability that it will pull back below 14.55 is 99.754%, and the probability that it will hold it will remain above that is 0.245%. Yeah. So this is just statistical, just the mere fact that just because it has just run up this huge amount of gain, then that's naturally what you should expect to happen. So just have a look at and just know how you're playing Snap, and I will definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.